probably 10 years worth of logs here, you know,
Yeah.
because of the
Well,
dark green and the light green and stuff
they're
like
doing
that.
30, 40 years ahead of time. Like stuff that
Oh,
they
yeah.
planted with a projection date of set 2070 and some man ran over top. I worked with his dad at Van Camp years ago, and then I worked with Alex too.
Yeah.
He was a good shit too.
Yeah. Well, if you see Wayne, tell him that you
Yeah, I
finally met Mayo.
Yeah.
But that was funny.
Well,
you know, like here I am. It doesn't matter. You know, like a mechanic's a mechanic. It doesn't matter whether you got shiny tools or not. You know,
Well,
you get a heel bar and a hammer and a fucking pipe wrench, and you know, like.
Look at the tool list that you had. There was nothing on there anyway. You could carry it in a Mayo bucket for crying out loud.
But you know, like if those great big bloody nuts and bolts and stuff like that don't come with my hammer and my heel bar, then
yeah, that's right.
Get the pipe wrench out, you know.
Well, that's funny running into you.
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Well, I heard all about you for years and years now. The famous Ron Roth.
No, that was just a good.
The stuff they got up in the interior with the snippers and the.
You should see what Frank. You should see what Frank's division looks like. It's just a Frank.
Really, eh?
Everywhere you look, you leave Franklin Camp, go up towards Access.
I really get charged at him, but he sends me all kinds of stuff off the internet.
10K down the road from Cameron. Frank Camp A.